What's up guys, it's McKeown back again with another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to discuss 5 financial goals that regardless if you're a new investor or an experienced investor or just someone that is looking to get started, these are all 5 goals that you should really try to obtain. So first things first, absolutely would be credit. Try to work on your credit. Some people, if you're above 720, I would say you are in a terrific position. But if you're in the 500s, 400s, low 600s, try to work on that credit score to get it into at least the 700s. Once you hit 720, you're technically in top tier credit. Now, the second thing I would work on is try to get out of bad debt. Now, bad debt, what I'm referring to is really anything over 5%. So if you have revolving debt with credit cards that's sitting at anywhere from 20 to 25% interest rate, make sure to get that paid off as soon as possible. Now, if we're talking mortgage debt, I'm sitting at about 2.5 to 3% with my total mortgage insurance rates. That is not bad debt. That is great debt. Now, you may be asking, how can I get rid of my bad debt if I'm just continuously in a cycle of paying off the minimum amount on my credit card? Well, stay tuned for a video that I'm going to be putting out later this week. I'm going to be discussing my favorite top 10 side hustles, but in the meantime, you do need to start at least trying to obtain a second income, and I would start with a side hustle. And the last goal that I would have set out for myself, as well as you guys watching this video, would be to put a certain amount of your income aside to invest. Some people that I just mentioned are in a position where they cannot invest anything at all. The reason is because they're living basically in the means of what they earn. So if they're earning $3,000 a month, they're spending probably $3,200, or maybe spending $2,800. They can't put any of that money aside. Now that's where a side hustle comes into play, where instead of you're making $3,000 a month, now you're making $4,000 a month, maybe still spending the same amount, maybe spending slightly more, but you still can put some money aside to invest. Now everyone's total amount of money put aside to invest will differ obviously based off the income that you make, but I would sit down and determine how much I'm spending each month and how much I'm earning and dictate how much you can put aside to save. Because let's say if you wanted to put $250 aside or maybe $500 aside, if you save for a year or two, that's money that can absolutely be put somewhere else to start making you passive income or future income down the road. Now, everyone has their own financial goals. My goals may be different than yours, but these 4 goals will absolutely help you get ahead financially. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to stay tuned for next week's video. And as I mentioned earlier in this video, I will have another video coming out this week regarding side hustles. So stay tuned for that if you're looking to try to generate additional income outside of just your daily 9 to 5. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really does help, and stay tuned for the next video.